I'm at English Bay doing a quickie here, and just after the fireworks. Here's a boat that got washed ashore a couple months ago after we had some big winds. It's just sitting here. Really nice moon over there. Sunset Beach, Vancouver. There was fireworks last night. It attracts hundreds of thousands of people to our beaches to watch, and I decided to go and do a bit of searching. So come with me and I'll show you some of the stuff I found. Thanks for watching. So this is from 3 beaches: English Bay Beach, Kitsilano, and Sunset Beach. Most of the coins came off of English Bay. 2 cell phones came off of Kitts Beach, and 1 from this beach here, Sunset. And car, tractor, lighters. Nice carabiner. I really like that carabiner. These tokens here, they're in this little plastic bag, and I have no idea. Recovering need ever die. So recovery need ever die. The coin count was really good. It was just under $49. 48, I think 70. And the jewelry, 1 silver ring here, costume there, costume earring, another costume ring here with stones in it. And this is silver. These are little silver cats. And this silver bracelet here. So not a bad night. A lot of fun.